5 personal hygiene habits you might be mistakenly following. Sometimes we wonder how people survived without the internet and its endless tips on how to better take care of ourselves. Seems like every day we stumble upon a new piece of advice about hygiene and have no idea how we've managed to survive without it. If you're the same, then we have a new batch of tips that you can add to your routine today. 1. Rinsing out toothpaste with water after brushing. Dentists say it's much better for our teeth if we spit out toothpaste after brushing, because it helps us to retain its best ingredient, fluoride. By swirling water in our mouths, we decrease its preventative effects and therefore are more prone to tooth decay. 2. Not cleaning your hairbrush. Our hairbrushes are a huge breeding ground for bacteria, so it's recommended to wash them every 1 or 2 weeks. Considering that we usually use a hairbrush every day, it's terrifying to think about how long we sometimes go without properly cleaning it. A regular shampoo will do the trick. 3. Storing bath towels in the bathroom. Towels can get contaminated extremely easily in a bathroom. For example, flushing your toilet with the lid open, spraying aerosol, and overall moisture can help bacteria to settle on your seemingly fresh and fluffy towels. We advise bringing in your bath towels from a linen closet outside, otherwise, you might get sick. 4. Completely removing nose hairs. We usually associate body hair with something unsanitary, but in the case of your nose, there are absolutely zero health benefits to removing the hairs. They catch dust and other allergens from entering your lungs, so unless the hairs are peeking outside of your nose, leave them be. Otherwise, do some light grooming on the surface. 5. Washing your hands with hot water. We grew up to believe that hot water fights germs better, but there is no difference between high and low temperatures from the tap. Your water would have to be around 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius, to be dangerous to bacteria. In addition, hot water can be aggressive on your skin, which can lead to dry hands. Just wash them for a longer period of time, instead of in hotter water.